Good evening, everyone. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, it gives me great pleasure to wish every teacher a very, very happy Teachers' Day and to congratulate you for the wonderful work you do. Our teachers lay the foundation stones of society. They make our tomorrow. And I am so delighted and honored to be a member of this great profession. For our students, I would like to say, you have the ability to choose right from wrong. If you would use it wisely and well, you would make the right decisions and you would change your world and make it a better place. I'd also like to congratulate Sayam Agarwal on the amazing effort he's made. His channel Learn with Sayam, he has tried to make teaching a pleasure and he has tried to make learning easy. His initiative regarding this Teachers' Day competition is also to be lauded, and I am very proud of him. As for the participants, you each did your very best and no one can ask for more. I have always believed we do not compete against others, we compete against ourselves. If you believe that you have done the best you could, then rest content with that. Be happy. And always remember, God made you uniquely. There is no one else like you in the world, so no one else can compete with you. You are the best. Always trust in that, believe in God, and a happy Teachers' Day once again to all teachers. God bless.
It is said that life has no class without a teacher, and there is no teacher without children. They complement each other. Namaste to all of you. On this Teachers' Day, I am here to mention that all the teachers in the country deserve a special applause and a special tribute because of the special effort that they are making. They were getting ready to start their new session, but then came COVID-19 and things drastically changed. Syllabus was changed overnight. The learning platform was changed overnight. There were tireless hours of training, but they took all of it in their stride and they joined their classes with the same smile, same love, and same affection for their children. I am sure the children are not even feeling that they are not in the classroom with their teachers, and their parents and all of them must have seen the kind of effort which is going in to make different kind of resources, PPTs, and to ensure that every child is satisfied and every child is a keen learner and they learn whatever they are going to taught. So the teachers deserve a very, very special mention and big round of applause for all of them. Sayam, God bless you. You have made this a special opportunity for all the children to thank their teacher on this Teachers' Day. And I have gone through the presentation of all the children who have participated in this event. Their creativity is amazing. Each one of them is a winner. The way they have complimented their teacher, the way they have thanked their teacher shows how grateful and full of gratitude they are for their teachers. God bless all the children and all the teachers across the country on this special Teachers' Day.
A very good afternoon to all the teachers and the students on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Dear students, your entries have been really endearing. The kind of respect, love and gratitude that you have for your teachers is something which overwhelms me to see how you revere your teachers. Your love and affection go a long way in encouraging the teachers to work more hard for your future and in a better way. Your love makes this world a better place for the teachers to be in. Dear Sayam, a big thank you to you for your channel Learning with Sayam, which helps the students understand the topics in a much better way. I really like the simple language and the clear concepts that you give to the students in a very simple language, which makes it easier for them to grasp all their topics. I wish you all a very good and happy, bright, healthy future for all your endeavors and for all your efforts that you have put in for your teachers. Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshi Modi from class 5th. Teachers Day competition which was done by Siam was very good. Great experience. Happy to have this opportunity of learning and meeting great people. This experience was one in a kind. It is a fun way of competing with others. Thank you for organizing this competition. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Evelyn Kaur, and first of all I would like to thank Team Learn with Sam who have given a great platform to children to manifest their talent. Even I personally participated first time in an online competition and my experience was really astounding. Even small children of second and third grades are participating. So I hope in future also they'll come up with these kind of quizzes and competitions, and don't forget to subscribe their channel Learn with Sam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Anushka Jain. I am 14 years old. I study in class 9th. I am from Bhora Public School, Ballabgarh, Faridabad. Today I want to appreciate the efforts and the work done by the team Learn with Sanyam for organizing such an amazing contest on Teachers Day. I made a poster on Teachers Day and it motivated me a lot to make more, to do more. So that was very motivating for me. So a big thumbs up to Learn with Sanyam.
फ्रेंड्स, आई एम ज्योति फ्रॉम हमारी कक्षा। सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी हमारी कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योति मैम और सन्याम सर का, जिन्होंने ये कंपटीशन के बारे में हमें बताया। ये ऑनलाइन कंपटीशन बहुत ही अच्छा एक कंपटीशन है जिसमें जो घर बैठे जो बच्चे हैं वो अपनी टैलेंट को बाहर निकाल सकते हैं और घर पे बोर नहीं हो सकते। वो कंपटीशन के थ्रू अपने कामों में बिजी रह सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू ज्योति मैम एंड सन्याम सर।
Myself, Naisha Bang, I study in 4th class and I am from Sophia Girls Senior Secondary School, Kota, Rajasthan. And I want to thank the team Learn with Sneha to give me this big opportunity to perform my skills. Thank you.